Good morning students. So today we are going to discuss some important questions based on your chapters quadratic equation. Okay, quadratic equation and trigonometric identities. Okay. For these two topics, whatever doubt you can ask, and also I am just going to write some questions. Okay, so write down if alpha and beta are zeros of, write down question, if alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic equation, if alpha and beta are zeros of quadratic equation, kx square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0, such that alpha square plus beta square is equals to 24, such that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 24, then find the value of k. Then find the value of k. If this thing, then find the value of k. Okay, you may try it. Okay, if you are not able to solve, then after I will tell you. So first you try to solve it. Okay, how to solve this problem? So first of all, you see, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the given equation, then first of all write given equation. This is nothing but kx square plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing with general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, and you will have a is equals to k, b is equals to 4 and c is equals to 4. Now what do you find? Now find alpha plus beta. This is nothing but minus b by a. This is what? Minus 4 by k. And alpha beta, that is product of roots c by a, this is simply 4 by k. Okay, and then after, what we can do here, we use the identity. Maybe you note this question. Okay, so we use the identity alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. This is the identity. A square plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square minus of 2ab. That means alpha square plus beta square, this is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha. Okay, put the values of alpha plus beta and alpha square plus beta square. This is already given 24, and this is nothing but minus 4 by k whole square minus of 2 into 4 by k. Okay, so if you take 24 as 4 is 16, 16 by k square minus 4 to the 8 by k. Okay, if we take common 8, then this is nothing but 24 is equals to 8. This is 2 by k square minus 1 by k. 8 3s are 24. Okay, and afterwards if you solve it, you will get 3 is equals to, yes, k square is LCM, then this is nothing but 2 minus k. Am I right? 2 minus k. This is 2 by k square minus 1 by k. This is nothing but 2 by k. So this is 3k square is equal to 2 minus k. So this becomes 3k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. And maybe you factorize. Okay? Factor कर लेंगे आप और k की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. You understood this one? Okay. So note it down. Now see the next question. This is also an important question. X square plus 5x. I'm going x square plus 5x minus of minus of within bracket x a square plus a minus 6 is equal to 0. You have to find the factor of this particular equation. Okay, that means solve for x or find the value of x. Okay, so this is the quadratic equation. There are 2 or 3 methods to solve this particular quadratic equation, as by factorization method or by formula method. So I have just used the factorization method. Okay, so see, first you factorize this. What is the factor of this particular a square plus a minus 6? You know, a square plus a minus 6. You know what is the factor of this? Suppose we want to find the factor of this, then this is nothing but a square plus 6a minus a minus 6 is equal to 0. So simply a plus 6 and minus of a plus 6, this is 0. So a plus 6 and a minus 1, this is the factor of this particular equation. Okay, so simply you can write this as x square plus a plus 6 minus of a minus 1 minus of a minus 1. You go down, and this is nothing but x, clear? A plus 6 and a minus 1. If you multiply this one, a plus 6 and a minus 6, you will get what? A square plus a. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे तो यही मिलेगा ना बेटा? फैक्टर करेक्ट है ना?
No sir.
Wait.
Sir, 3a minus 2.
Sorry, actually I just see 5. That's why I have written this. 3a minus 2a, na? Kyoda? So this is a plus 3 and minus of 2 a plus 3. This is 0. So a plus 3 and a minus 2. This is the factor of this. Okay. So simply you write here a plus 2, a plus 3, a plus 3 minus of a minus 2. Now see this into x plus इसका फैक्टर कितना है बेटा? a plus 3 into a minus 2. This is the factor and this is equals to 0. Now see, question solution is clear now. If you add this, a cancelled out, 3 plus 2 5. That means 5x, and if you multiply these two quantities, you will get a square plus a minus 6. Now it is clear? If you have any doubt, please ask. What you do in trinomial factor? You just factorize and split this middle term in such a way that the addition of this middle term is nothing but 5, and product of this middle term is nothing but product of this a square plus a minus 6 into 1. That means a square plus a minus 6. क्लियर है? तो आप इसका प्रोडक्ट करोगे बेटा तो आपको a स्क्वायर प्लस a माइनस 6 मिलेगा और इसको ऐड करोगे तो सिंपली क्या मिल रहा है? 5 मिल रहा है. इसका मतलब हमारा फैक्टर हो गया. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट x स्क्वायर प्लस a plus 3 into x minus of a minus 2 into x plus a plus 3 into a minus 2, and this is equals to 0, and this is x. If you take x common, then x plus a plus 3, and if you take common a minus 2, this is again x plus a plus 3, so this is equal to 0. So x plus a plus 3, this is equals to 0, and x minus a minus 2, this whole is 0. So either this one is 0 or this one is 0. So x is nothing but minus of a plus 3, or x is nothing but a minus 2. So these are the solution of this quadratic equation. Clear है बेटा? कोई doubt है? So please do it. Yes. See, prove that 1 plus tan square. Sorry, कितना था? 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a into plus 1 upon 1 plus. बेटा यही है ना? This is 1 plus tan square, correct? Okay? Plus
1 by 10 square. So why will you not ask actually the whole group?
So see this one, 1 plus tan square a and 1 plus 1 upon tan square a, and this is nothing but 1 upon sin square a minus of sin power 4a. Okay? Clear? So what do you think about this question? How to solve? How to start this question? Okay. Concept is only you have to change this particular trigonometric ratio, that means tan a in sin a. Concept is this. Concept is this only. Convert tan a into sin a. How will you convert? Okay, you just see, and after converting, surely you will get the answer. Clear? So first one, LHS supposed to be this one, LHS, and you have to show this as a sin square a. Okay. So this is 1 plus tan square a. This is nothing but sec square a. And this is 1 plus 1 by tan, 1 plus cot square a. Clear? 1 plus 1 upon tan square a. This is nothing but 1 plus cot square a. 1 by tan is cot a. And sec square a is nothing but 1 upon cos square a. And 1 plus cot square a is nothing but plus ही है ना बेटा? बीच में इंटू नहीं है ना? Plus this is cosec square a. Clear? And if you see, this one is 1 upon cos square a plus 1 upon sin square a. Clear? And you know what is the LCM? Sin square a into cos square. Clear? And this is cos square a, that's why this is sin square a plus cos square a after solving this particular ratio. Right? So 1 upon, what is the answer? 1 upon sin square a into cos square a. So 1 upon sin square a, and to cos can be converted in sin. 1 minus sin square a. And if you multiply it, 1 upon sin square a minus sin power 4a, and this is your RHS. This is your RHS. Clear, eh? Okay? So note it down. So thank you for today. Thank you.